Habashim banta haka cut motion halor kapang katanat pulit haka dorbar mang tengka kabakat du haka kalai terik uluber arhajar arpusan wemeli kanongkrem uba Ardent Miller basaymoin uloong babun sin ki pulit kilong kadaw ka Jingstad Riewpaidbah Kiba Duna haka yo kakon bat ka puli ka puti kamtam kitu gibana Nongkyndong kani ka jingle ki pulit kade ka wei na ki kamle Shiliang kman katanat pulen kaba haka jingshisha la junyo ba kidei ki nong pahara bat ki nong yada haka shongsuk shongsain ye ki patba ulo ongru ba kila don ki ba wegno wat ki jing ujor lane ki ejahar namar bun sin ki Nongkyndong haba ki lej ujor ki pulen ki sha hit kala bersha penting ko tempan penban ula penram ba don kam ba ki pulit ki nong trei hok laka kamram daga ba kinlong ki bri ki baya jan haka jinge dei bat ki patba ba don kamru ban pun snothu ski patba de ki lat jingi kai kum ka wei ni ki banta baniram ye ka imlang ka salang ka bha ka mian.
So we know that the police department is one of the most important department in the government. It is one of the machineries that is being designed to enforce law in the state. So I would like to dwell on one issue, and that is about the police and public relation. I feel this is very important, sir. We need to create an impression where the people will feel free to approach the police officer. We know that the duty of the police department is to serve and protect the people. Though it is one of the government machineries, but it should not be allowed to be seen that this department is going to protect the rich and the mighty only, and to show their concern for people in power only. So I know that there is a trust deficit as far as the police department is concerned. Common citizens are always reluctant to approach the police because there is always a partiality in dealing with matters concerning the common people. I've come across many cases where people are afraid to approach the police to complain for any problem. And recently, I had come across one particular case where person will have to withdraw the FIR against certain individual because of the lack of trust in the police department. So, sir, I feel that we need to get rid of this trust deficit. How to engage with the people? I think it will be advisable for the department to carry out, to conduct many programs that will bring the people closer to the department. So I'm saying this, we will be able to solve many of the problems if the police department gets the cooperation of the people. We don't want to see that the people are following the rules or the law because of the fear. They should be made to understand that we need to be law-abiding citizens. That will come only if we win the hearts of the people, not by just imposing fines or any harsh measures that we will take from the police department. So I feel that the police first must win the heart of the people. The police must be able to be seen as the protector of the people. Then only we will be able to solve many minor issues that we are experiencing as the state. Because we know that the police, due to the shortage of manpower, will not be able to handle every single case. We need the cooperation of the common people. We need the cooperation of the village people. So how do we win their hearts? How do we draw them closer to the police department if there is an impression that this department is protecting the rich and the mighty only? So we need to understand that the police department stands not only for those people who are at the helm of affairs, stands not only for the rich and the mighty, but police stands for the entire state, and every citizens of the state needs to be served and protected by the police department. So I feel that if the police department can adopt an approach where the people will not take them as terror, but as a real protector, then we will be able to move forward. We will be able to solve many problems, even congestion, all these violations in traffic rules. You will look at many youths. They will put their helmet on their heads before they reach the police junction. What is that? That indicates that they understand that it is their duty to put the helmet on their heads for their safety, but because of the fear. So we need to remove this fear from the minds of the people. We need to remove this fear. So therefore, we need to create a cordial atmosphere between the public and the police. So this is my concern, and this is what I can suggest and submit to this August House. I feel if the police change their approach towards the people, then the people will cooperate. Once you get the cooperation of the people, I'm telling you, we will be able to solve many problems.